Hey guys, welcome to the channel out here in the carving tent. Check out this guy, right? Working on him, working on a video, creating him. So I guess this is kind of a sneak peek. This is the video though. We're going to talk about Saburrtooth carving burrs, primarily the flame bit, what I use, what I just got in the mail, and how I use them on this carving. And when this video is done for this carving, you guys will be able to see those in action. So today we're just going to go over those flame bit burrs, talk about them a little bit, and yeah, let's get to it. Like I said, today we're going to be talking about them flame bit burrs. I just got them all in the mail. I mentioned it in the last video, that one that's like kind of long, and I'm working on that cool table. They all came in 3 different sizes. If you're going to be chainsaw carving outside and you think you'll be going through different bits and grits, I suggest you do this. Drill a hole in a block of wood, and those bits you plan on using outside, pop them in there. They're not banging around, they're not clanking anything, you're not dulling your teeth. All these bits are Saburrtooth. There'll be all kinds of links below in the description as usual. Purchase through those links, help support the channel. Alright guys? So, flame bit burrs, right? I feel like I just opened up a whole new world. A whole new world. Alright, I'm not going to do that. So, I just got 3 new sizes. The size that I've been using, actually 4, I bought all 4 so I could do this video, but the main size that I've been using is this right here. This is the 1/2 inch. Now, everything's 1/4 inch shaft, okay, so it fits the die grinder. Everything I'm talking about here is 1/4 inch shaft. So, this is the 1/2 inch. This has been my go-to for carving since I really got into using Saburrtooth burrs in this die grinder. Now, this is very, very versatile, I think, and you can get away with doing a lot of work with this. Now, if you want to step it up, though, and be able to do different things, well, then you got to get different tools, right? So, the first thing I want to show you, though, is the 1/2 inch, obviously, because I love it the most. This 1/2 inch, I went through and created this line. I created this line with the chainsaw, came through, cleaned it up with the 1/2 inch. There's also lines on top here that make it look like bark. Okay, did it with the chainsaw, cleaned it up with a little bit with the 1/2 inch. Most of it actually cleaned up with the 3/4 inch on this part. See the size difference? So this 3/4 inch I used for the bark and most of that line, and I used the 1/2 inch just to clean it up a little bit. Now, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself, guys. Talking real quick. I only got a few minutes. I gotta go get the kids from school, so I'm trying to get this video out there for you, though. Anyway, the 1/2 inch, my go-to size, I just did the ears, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the paws, and the nails. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can see that, and you can see where it's at with the 1/2 inch burr. Now, I have 2 other sizes, but I haven't used them yet. Shoot a video using them at the moment. Sorry, it's all shaky. So, wham. Okay, 1/2 inch. Defined the nose. Did this, the nostrils. Everything was already done with chainsaw except for, like, you know, this. You had, like, this rough look. You guys will have to keep an eye out for this video, and you'll be able to see, like, where I'm talking about. But all the chainsaw work was done. And then I came through and did his eyes. Did his eyes with that 1/2 inch. The inside of these ears, they were cut with the chainsaw, and then I cleaned them up. Eyes were completely from the 1/2 inch, which they still need a little bit of work, but I want them looking up. So the mouth got cleaned up with the 1/2 inch. That paw did. Okay, just a real quick paw. So did these ones. All right, the top here. Made the nails with the chainsaw and then just cleaned them up with that bit. So I want you guys to be able to see all these sizes. Don't mind the other burrs in here because we're just talking about these front 2 bright green ones. Haven't even used them yet. So 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 1/4 inch burr. Everything is the 1/4 inch shaft, okay? Now, this I could see being perfect for cleaning up those nails even farther, getting more detail out of the nails, getting more detail maybe in the mouth to make a thinner mouth, and really getting in here good and defining those eyes, okay? For the sake of this video, I'm not going to do all that carving, but you guys watch the video where I carved this guy, and I'm going to come back through with this bit and clean up his eyes from where they're at right now, okay? I don't think I'll get into using the 5/8 on this carving, as the 3/4 did all the cleanup work that I needed. So it's good though to have, you know, a slew of different bits and different things going on here, because you never know what you're going to make next and what you'll need. Now, that's really all I got. I love the flame bit, you guys, and these are all 4 sizes in coarse grit from Saburrtooth, all right? I use the coarse grit when I'm carving because it seems to work the best. If the wood's a little wet, which normally it is because it's pine and you got sap, it tends to cut well and throw. And the finish isn't super rough. I mean, you can still see the lines, but if you went to their extra coarse, you're going to eat wood really quick. To control it, if you're doing detail, it's not going to be there because it's just going to want to eat, and you're going to leave really aggressive lines, which could be good for detailing if you want to use those as your fur lines. So I mean, that could work, but I prefer the coarse grit. Those are the green ones. Now, as always, there'll be links to, you know, the tools that I use to create this stuff down below, guys. The dust mask, the die grinders, each one of these bits that I'm using here, these flame bits we're talking about, you know, they come right in around in that 20 some odd dollar range, you know, $20 to $25 a piece, something like that. And they're totally worth it. They're totally worth it. Now, obviously, if you were to buy 1 or 2 and you didn't want to spend all the money up front, I suggest the 1/2 inch. Yeah, I suggest that 1/2 inch and the 1/4 inch, okay? I know I haven't used it yet, but I see this being really versatile with the eyes and the nails, like I already said. I know I'm repeating myself, but I'm trying to get it through my own brain. So, and you can do so much work with that 1/2 inch. When you get into the 5/8 and the 3/4 inch, they get quite a bit bigger, so you're not going to be able to do a lot of detail work with them, but you can do a lot of good cleanup work, a lot of rounding, a lot of getting in where there's a crease and taking away that saw mark, cleaning up around the neck, or just putting the 3/4 inch in and cleaning up his snout. That's what I just sanded his snout with, was a 3/4 inch today, and I rounded the ears as well with that. So I mean, these bits are really versatile. I know I'm talking a lot, such a short video, but that's it. I was excited. I just got these all in the mail in the past 2 or 3 days here, and it's like, woohoo, time to put them to work, you know. But yeah, I gotta wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not super long, but it's just kind of like one of them little nuggets of info that might be able to help you guys out with your next carving, and you guys get a sneak peek on this guy. So keep an eye out for this guy. I know the last video I mentioned I was going to carve a rooster. I don't know if I'm going to have time today. I'm going to try, okay? You're going to have to check back Saturday, though, to see whether this guy makes the video for Saturday's cut or the rooster carving, okay? I'm not sure. I'm running out of time today, so we'll see what happens. This just, when you get in the groove and you start wanting to make a piece and it gets in your head, you just got to make it. You can't try to switch gears and do something different. And this guy's been on my mind, and this log's been sitting here, and I was like, man, it's not a rooster morning. I got to make a bear. So here he is, and he's not done. Like I said, keep an eye out for that next video. Working on this guy. You guys will get to see a little bit more detail for some of these flame bit burrs I'm talking about. And you know what? Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe. Really appreciate all you watching, all you guys, just all your support. I really enjoy reading the comments and responding back to you guys as well. So if you have questions, leave them below. I'll try to help you out. Also, if you want to add to the you asked for it list, comment below what you want to see me carve. All right, whether I've done it before or not, or I don't know. I like doing new stuff I've never done, so I'll try just about anything except, you know, lewd, rude, crude carvings. I'm not doing that kind of stuff, but comment below. I'll give it a go. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. I'll see you next time.